going on, world? You already know who it is. It's your boy Sean Bennett 618, and I'm back with another shoe review. Let's get it.
Yeah. Please don't hit my phone, I'm too busy, won't reply. They thought that I was done, got it bustin' like July. These niggas think they poppin', they ain't poppin', that's a lie. Yeah, you know I'm down to slide. Sucker niggas stay inside, cause we right back outside. Right back outside, yeah, we right back outside. Right back outside, yeah, we right back outside. Right back outside, yeah, we right back outside. Got an issue, niggas slide, you know we won't never hide.
Welcome back. It's your boy Sean Bennett 618 once again. Make sure you subscribe to the channel before you get up out of here. Matter of fact, just do it right now and get it out the way. Go and subscribe, hit that notification bell. I'm gonna start dropping more YouTube videos. I've been low-key slacking, but it's 2025, and if you a Jordan fan, you understand the assignment this year. It's so many dope OG Jordans coming out this year. And I don't know, I just want to take it upon myself to get back into the vlog and shit. So let's get right into it, man. So the first two cops of the year that I've bought, of course, the Retro 5 Reimagined, and of course the Retro 1's Black Toes. Something about this Reimagined thing going on that Nike's been doing, man, it's super dope. I really enjoy the Reimagineds. I usually grab most of them. Super dope. So we just gonna go ahead and knock out two in one video. I don't want to make two separate videos for two shoes that I just grabbed recently. And last year I copped so many shoes and I just stopped doing reviews. I don't know. I just wasn't feeling it. It just felt too repetitive. But like I said, for some reason y'all want to buy Jordans this year. So let's do some reviews, man, because I don't understand how y'all went so crazy for these. The Reimagined Retro 5s. Y'all went too crazy, bro. Like, it was shootings, fighting. It reminded me of the old days. And I thought we were way past those days where people was fighting over these shoes. But clearly, I don't know what got into y'all in the month of February. But y'all went crazy for these shoes. Thank God I didn't have to go to any stores and get them. I had to hit the plug up because I didn't hit on Sneaker App. But, you know, I keep plugs on deck. Shout out to my boy Charlie. I'll put his info in the description just in case you're in the Las Vegas area or anywhere else. He shipped them out too. But yeah, I had to call my boy Charlie. He came through and got me right. So it was like no risk behind it. I'm not gonna do a full unboxing. We're just gonna talk a little bit and vibe out, man. It's been a while since I've been on here. But yeah, I copped these beautiful shoe. I knew as soon as I seen these dropping, I had to cop them. Didn't matter the price to me. I just wasn't finna overpay crazy, but I didn't honestly think, well, I kind of knew people was going to go crazy for these, but the way the Jordan sales was doing last year, I didn't think everybody was going to be back hopping on Jordans to where they sold out and you got to call sneaker plugs again. Like, I don't know what got into the tea, but y'all motherfuckers started going crazy for Jordans this year. But look, it's all good. Y'all ain't going to stop my motion. I'm going to keep buying Jordans. I don't know where y'all was at or y'all energy was at last year when Jordans was coming out, but them motherfuckers was sitting on every goddamn shelf in the stores. People was not buying. I couldn't even believe the Columbias didn't sell out. But people wasn't buying Jordans last year, but for some reason they want to buy them this year. So let's get it. That's what I like to say. Let's get it. I ain't mad at y'all. Let's see who gonna be the best man that wins at the end of the day. But look, another score. We got the Retro 5 Reimagined Black Metallics. Man, these is beautiful shoe, man. I don't even know when I want to put these on. These is just beautiful. I like the white laces in them too. I might throw the blacks in mine though, but the white laces look good in them. I love the gum bottom, fire icy blue bottom. Looks pretty dope. Of course you got the Nike tab. You know, very sturdy shoe. Make sure your shoes is official too, man. There's been a lot of fakes going around, man. Make sure your shoe official too. You gotta make sure your shoe official. But yeah, dope shoe, man. I love how they put the Nike on the back. It's a Reimagined. The white reflector that's going through it. Let me get this ad out, man. I said no ads. So yeah, the reflector that's actually going through it is pretty dope. That was something new they added to it. I love the mesh box right here. Real dope shoe, man. Hey, look, if you didn't get this shoe, don't worry. Don't go rob nobody. Don't crash out for this shoe, man. You will be able to get it. Just stack your bread. You know what I'm saying? You can get the shoe if you didn't get it. But if you did get the shoe and you made it out safe, congratulations. It's time to prepare for the next one. Alright, but yeah, dope shoe. I ain't gonna get too much into this shoe. I'm pretty sure y'all done came across all the little videos on YouTube already. I know I'm late to the party, but don't trip. I ain't never late to the event. I always get the shoes on time. It's just if I feel like vlogging it or not. But did go cop these. I actually bought these on Jordan's birthday. I didn't really want to grab them, honestly, so I didn't really hop on Sneaker App that morning to put my bid in for them. I kind of figured they were going to be sitting in stores a little bit because a lot of people was going for the bread OGs, which those was nice too, but I am not paying $600 plus for some retro ones. No, not happening. But it was the GOAT's birthday. I don't know why I felt like, hey, I can't give him a gift, so I just go buy some shoes of him. So I went to the mall that night. Actually, it was like Monday, the weekend after it passed. And the shoes was there. They had my size, simple cop. I mean, I believe these are sitting in a lot of different stores. But honestly, if I were you, I would go grab 2 pairs of these because I got a feeling prices might jump. They might start selling a little bit more throughout the year. You just never know, man. This is a dope retro one. I love the box. Let's just start there. The box they went crazy on finally. Original pair Mike had on. All that good stuff when he was a young stud in the game, coming into the game, man. And this is a original prototype theme of the shoe when it first came out. Look, they went crazy. They ain't putting no print on paper in so long. That's dope. But yeah, so these are the originals that Mike actually wore before they even put the Wings logo on it. This is the one that they had Air Jordan on it. Overall, bro, I had just copped a pair of the low cuts, I think last year, of this colorway, and I love those low cuts. I went and bought a second pair because I wore them too much. I didn't want these shoes at first, like I said, but once I started thinking about it, I'm like, I really enjoyed the low cuts. I know I'm gonna like the mids. They fire. I ain't even gonna lie. They fire, and I feel like a lot of people are gonna regret not copying these shoes because they dope. They super dope. Yeah. Now, if you ain't get the breads, you ain't get the breads. It's all good. They had the black toes sitting up ready for you, waiting. These are dope, man. They got a little message right here. I know y'all probably can't see it, but it's a message right here that Michael Jordan wrote out to his homie when he gave him the original shoe, which is dope. My eyes, I can't even see what it says right now, but y'all figure it out, man. It came with red laces, black laces. I honestly think some white laces would go crazy in these, just my opinion. Dope shoe. I do like the off-white looking color they got right here. It's not straight white. That's cool. I like that. Give it that more original look. They did their thing. I'm telling you, the Reimagined brand that they're bringing to the table, all their shoes been hidden. I enjoy them. These is dope. Can't wait for the summertime to pop out in these. But yeah, you probably can go grab these right now in your stores, your local stores, local Foot Locker, stuff like that. Go check them out, see if they got them. Grab you a pair. I mean, $180 for them, not bad. They gonna go in the closet until the summer possibly. And you know, we'll pop out with them later in the year. But yeah, dope shoe. Both of them, dope shoes. Man, it's finna get crazy. If you are a person that like to cop these releases, it's about to get real crazy. It's gonna get real crazy out here because next month, oh my God, we got 2 pair of Retro 4s dropping that will go crazy. All red ones and the white navy blue ones go crazy. I'm pretty sure y'all gonna go crazy for those. We got, of course, the Flu Gang is one of my top 3s. The Flu Gang 12s dropping March 1st, I believe. So yeah, man, it's gonna be a crazy month next month, coming into next month. So I hope that you guys saved that income tax money, or you didn't file yet and you finna get it, because it's finna get real. Make sure y'all get y'all money right, get y'all mind right, and be prepared for this. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people are starting to get back on board with the Jordan brand and the sneakers. So just prepare yourself for, you know, a little upset here and there, because them apps sometimes you're not gonna win them. But you know, if you got some money on the side end and you got an extra little 50 or 100, I'm pretty sure you can find a shoe plug in your local area. Just make sure the shoes is authentic. Just don't buy any shoes without making sure they're authentic. All right. But look, before we get up out of here, I need y'all to make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Of course, I already said that. Subscribe to the channel, man. We're going to get right back into doing these shoe reviews more often. So we're going to tap in and get that going, man, because this is actually cool engaging with the people. And shoes is my passion. So why not engage with y'all? Man, you already know what it is, man. Look, it's your boy Sean Bennett 618, man. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Tap the notification bell so you don't miss out on any videos in the near future. All right? Let's get it.